Welcome to the Tiger's Eye Meditation. This guided meditation will harness the power of Tiger's Eye gemstones and the unlimited power of your mind to move you forward into a world of abundance and success. To prepare for the meditation, find a serene location. Clean the energy beforehand if possible with sage, incense, or by lighting a candle. Grid your space with your favorite Tiger's Eye success stones. You can place them all around you or in the corners of the room. If you are lying down, you can place them on your body, and either way, have Tiger's Eye stones in your hands during the meditation. Prepare a glass of water and a pair of Moki stones, or your preferred grounding stones for after the meditation. As you hold your Tiger Eye stone in your hand, feel the energy of your tiger spirit animal right beside you. It is ready to accompany you on this journey to success. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths in and out. With each breath you take in, imagine a surge of courage, confidence, and positive energy entering your body. With each breath out, allow your fears and doubts to leave your body and fly far, far away. Continue to breathe in and out, allowing your body and your mind to transform from a tense space to an inner sanctuary of bliss. Allow your muscles to relax and your thoughts to fade into the background. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey on your own for however long you would like. As you allow your mind and body to relax and be receptive, think about how far you've already come. You are a successful person who has already accomplished so much in life, and you have an innate desire to keep creating, moving forward, and accomplishing new things. The Tiger's Eye stone in your hand is here to help you do exactly that. Take a minute to connect with your crystal. Feel the motivational force of Tiger's Eye infuse your fingers. This energy jolts up your hands, through your veins, and circulates your entire body. You begin to feel pumped up, fully fueled to manifest your dreams. Let the vibrations sink in and your excitement to become a success increase with each minute that passes. Now you are ready to take the very first step to success. That is focusing on your goal. Think of one work-related goal you want to achieve. Maybe you want a raise at work. Maybe you want to start your own online business. Maybe you want to retire early so you can stay at home. Maybe you're looking for a new job. Whatever your goal, focus on it. You may have a vague idea of what you want, but now is the time to define the details of your desire. Perhaps you've been wanting a raise for several months now, and now is the time to pin down the exact dollar amount you would like to have. Maybe you want to start a business. Now is the time to define the details, like where you want to be located, how many employees you'd like to have, how many sales do you want in the first year. With your tiger's eye stone in your hand, take the time to reflect on the details of your desires. Ask yourself many questions. Answer all the questions related to your goal. If you are having a hard time answering the questions to your goal, look to Tiger's Eye and let it tell you. First of all, you focused on one goal. Next, you ask and answer the 5 W questions to yourself. Who? What? When? Where? And why? Take this time to define your business goals as completely as possible. Now that you have a clear idea of what you actually want, the universe is ready to help you achieve it. The next step is to build your confidence level. Big changes and risks are scary. What if you fail? But think about this. If you never, ever even try, then you have automatically failed. Win at life by taking that leap over your fears. Don't worry if you stumble and fall, just get back up and keep going. The good news is that the Tiger's Eye stone in your hand has earned the nickname Stone of Courage and Confidence. Even just by holding it, you have felt that surge of motivation and excitement. Now that you're going to harness the tiger energy from your stone, you will become unstoppable. Funnel the healing energy of Tiger's Eye to your lower chakra center. Feel a burst of golden light enter into the pit of your stomach. Imagine yourself transforming into a tiger, big, bold, strong, fast, confident. Your inner tiger is the master of its domain, just like you are the master of your world. Infuse yourself with this golden Tiger's Eye energy. Now silently repeat this phrase to yourself 3 times. I replace my fears, doubts, and anxiety with courage and confidence. I replace my fears, doubts, and anxiety with courage and confidence. I replace my fears, doubts, and anxiety with courage and confidence. Take another deep breath and repeat this phrase to yourself 3 times. I go after my goals like a pouncing tiger, despite any doubts I may have. I go after my goals like a pouncing tiger, despite any doubts I may have. I go after my goals like a pouncing tiger, despite any doubts I may have. Feel your mood lifting and your physical body beginning to strengthen. You have transformed from a shivering kitten to a ferocious tiger. You are ready for the very last step of your business success manifestation. This is the visualization step. Recall your newly defined work goal and all of the details of your desires. You are now going to give life to that image. If your goal was to get a raise, which now you have outlined the specific amount, you are going to visualize yourself asking your boss for that raise. Perhaps you see yourself stepping into his or her office, presenting your portfolio of accomplishments at their desk, and asking your boss for the exact dollar amount that makes you happy. And watch as he or she impressively agrees and says yes. If your goal was to start an online business, imagine your actual work setup. Who is around you? See them, know their faces. Look at your company logo on your new business card. Look at your website up and running. Imagine yourself completing the projects that need to be done, and imagine the very first sale rolling in. Whatever goal you are focusing on, visualize yourself taking the exact steps needed to get to success. The most important thing about visualization is the ending, after you have achieved your goal. Get in touch with how you feel once your goal has succeeded. Bask in your own accomplishments. Feel good, confident, proud, and abundant in the rewards. Not only this, but your friends and family are proud too. Imagine their faces, all the compliments and the excited emotions. And take several minutes to bring your dreams to life through visualization. Most importantly, don't forget to bask in the glory of your success. Congratulations! You now know what confidence and success feel like. They feel empowering. Your mind is perfectly capable of transforming hesitation to action and dreams to reality. Your final mission is to recreate these scenarios in the real world. Do all of the prep work you need. Just like you did in your visualizations, take the physical steps needed to get from point A to B. And do the mental preparations like crystal healings, visualizations, and affirmations with your tiger's eye stone to keep building your confidence and defining your goals. Remember, it is okay to fumble. That's when you recharge through your tiger's eye stone and get back out there. This persistence will catch your trophy just like the tiger does. The more you practice success, the more naturally it will come to you. It is time to immerse yourself back into the real world. You will come out of this meditation feeling like a new person, full of confidence and excitement. you are ready to take actions that lead to success. You feel motivated, healthy, and strong. I'm going to count you up from 1 to 5, and at 5, you will emerge from this hypnotic state. But first, take a minute to thank your tiger's eye stone and tiger spirit animal for supporting you in this powerful journey. Starting with the number 1, become aware of the stone in your hand and the feeling in your fingers. With number 2, focus on your breathing and then let the sensations return to your body. Number 3, your whole body is coming back into the physical realm. 4, you are aware of the sounds around you as you realign to your physical body. And 5, open your eyes. You are wide awake and feeling inspired. Slowly return back to reality. Give yourself time to readjust and enjoy the pleasant feelings from your meditation. Now is the time to hold on to your Moki marble stones and drink your water to ground back to your physical self. To retain the successful feelings of your meditation, keep your tiger's eye stone with you throughout your days. If you enjoyed this tiger's eye meditation, we would love to hear your stories and experiences. Feel free to post them here below or find us directly at Satin Crystals. We also invite you to join the Satin Crystals VIP Club for additional guided meditations, affirmations, crystal healing information, and monthly crystal horoscopes. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.